Here's how to replace your Hyundai Tucson cabin filter. So you're gonna put the glove box down here, and you're gonna see this piece right here. You're gonna pull the tongs over here, and it's gonna slide out. You're gonna take the old one out, and you're gonna get your new one here. I'm just gonna open it real quick. Okay, so you got the new one here, and you're just going to simply wiggle it, and you're going to slide it in. Then you're going to put the cap back on. And then you're going to clip it on the right side. Okay, you're gonna put the glove box back up. And right here, you're gonna put the little, what is it? Here it is. The little, plastic piece back in on both sides. Close the glove box, and you're done.